thank you for joining us today. We're here at C&T Solution's booth at COMPUTEX to celebrate an important achievement. So C&T Solution has officially received the IEC 62443-4-1 certification awarded by the Bureau Veritas. This achievement marks a major step forward in our commitment to secure product development and industrial cybersecurity. So today I'm honored to introduce our distinguished guests for today's ceremony. We have Mr. Eric Mao, Executive Vice President of C&T Solution, and then we have Mr. Sebastien Doose, the Global Senior Vice President of Bureau Veritas. And lastly, we have Mr. Jerome Hamel, Head of Cybersecurity Technical Governance from Bureau Veritas. So before we proceed with the formal presentation of the IEC certification, let's take a few minutes to talk about what this certification means for us and for the industry. So Mr. Eric, first of all, congratulations to you and the entire team. So can you share with us what achieving this certification means for C&T Solution?
Okay, thank you. So I wouldn't say this is an easy process, but I think it's a very definitely worthy process. For us as an IPC manufacturer, we do have different stages to develop the product. So with getting this cybersecurity certification, it helps us understand the philosophy of how it works and to really build in this into all of our stages in developing this product. And in the end, this certification gives us a proof that, okay, our process, our products are certified, are comply with all these standards. That's very important to bring the trust to our customer. I really have to use this chance to thank BV and the team to work with C&T team along the way to finish this certification process.
Mr. Sebastien, from your perspective, why is this certification important for our industry as a whole?
I think one part was already said and answered by yourself, but I think it brings a competitive advantage to the product because it manifests and shows that this product has achieved the standard for cybersecurity and is therefore compliant with these kind of parts, and therefore at the end of the day enables the customer clearly to understand that they buy a product which is in compliance with these regulations, which at the end of the day is at the moment let's say a strong part which is coming more and more into place because there's a stronger awareness and we are addressing a risk which is more and more visible for everybody of us.
Definitely give a competitive advantage, I think, for those who achieve this kind of certification. So you are able to prove that your products are cyber secured, but also there are more and more tenders in the industry of railway in general that are already requesting to be compliant. So it means that you will have also specific access to new market, possibly with this certificate.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sebastien and Mr. Jerome. So as many of us know, the European Cyber Resilience Act will come into effect around by the end of 2027. And it will surely bring new rules to make sure connected products are secure. So what are your thoughts on this upcoming regulation? And how does getting this certification now help us get ready for those changes?
This regulation is very important in Europe. It means that every product, software or hardware will need to comply with this regulation coming in 2026 and 2027. And there are both parts. So there is a part for process compliance and also product compliance. And although the high-level requirements have been defined, the standardization is not complete, but we know already that it will be based largely on 62443. And there are already a clear mapping on the high-level requirement and 62443 compliance. So it means that you will be with this certification ahead of the competition because you are, let's say, almost ready for CRA. There will be for some delta for sure, but the basements are ready and this is something very good for you.
Yes, CRA is around the corner, 2027. Our real own observation is really coming back from Europe earlier this year, talking with European customers face to face. And the observation was, yes, the awareness is gaining the awareness. People are aware of this, but a lot of them are a bit nervous because they don't know what to do yet. They don't know how it's gonna affect them yet. So Now with C&T getting the certification, it means a lot to us because as we want to be the industrial leader in this IPC manufacturing, now we have the knowledge, the capability, and then the process in hand to work with our customer hand in hand to also enable their solution, to bring their solution with compliant cybersecurity standard to the field, to their customer.
Yes, I think I agree with what you're saying, because at the end of the day, with achieving this certification, you have the baseline, you have included cybersecurity in your philosophy of the development of your product, and therefore any future additional requirements in cybersecurity will be easily to adapt because you have already a good foundation for all your product. And I think this is really the competitive advantage which you can bring to the market. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Eric and Mr. Sebastien, also Mr. Jerome, for sharing your thoughts and insights. So it's clear that achieving the IEC 62443-4-1 certification is not just a technical milestone. It's a reflection of our company's strong commitment to product security, quality, and preparing for future challenges in the cybersecurity landscape. So with that, we now come to the highlight of today's event, which is the formal presentation of the IEC 62443-4-1 certification.